how you can create a simple program in C. So this is the syntax. Here you can see. So you need to write here has include stdio.h, then int main printf hello C language return 0. So here has include stdio.h is the header file for standard input and output. This helps in getting the input from the user or keyboard and output result text to the monitor or screen. Actually this one is the main function, which return type is here int. Okay, and here printf is the function which display the message, and this one is a library file of C which is responsible for this input and output. So let's see in the practical example. In the last video you have seen that how you can install code blocks, so I'm going to use the code blocks for running this program. So let's open. So this is the code blocks. If you have not installed this one, then I recommend you to watch my previous video where I have shown that how you can install these code blocks. So this one is the code blocks. Now let's go to file and then empty file. Okay, so this is the code. Has include stdio.h, which is library file, and then int main, and here is printf, and then hello C language, the return. Now to check this one, just press this one. Okay, then it will prompt you to save the file. So you can create, in my case, let me create here somewhere process C language. Inside that I will create C code. So better I will put all the code here. Oh, not this in this one. hello.cpp, or it will take automatically the extension, so we don't have to worry. So this is the output. Here you can see the output is hello C language. Here you can see. Press enter to terminate. So that's it in this one. Now you might be wondering why we have written here this return 0. So in case of return 0 in main function, here you can see that the return type of this main is integer, but we are returning here 0. So actually we are telling to the operating system that the program ran successfully. So it tells the operating system that the program has been ended successfully, completed successfully. So that is why we write this return 0. So return 0 means the program is ran successfully. Also, one more question might be arising. So what is this file actually, and where does this file resides? So let me show you, so that you can satisfy yourself that where this file comes from. Okay, so go to your program files, and then here you can see code blocks, right? And then go to min, and then bin include here include. Okay, so click here, and then here find stdio.h. std, here you can see this file. right? So this one is actually the file which we are including into our program, and this one is responsible for input and output. So if you open this file somewhere, then here you can see there is a long code written inside this. So this is the file which had been written, which is responsible for input and output. So rather than writing this long code, we just include into our program so that it can function perfectly. So you can understand the value of library files. So apart from that, you can see there are a lot of other library files which is here include. So time to time we'll be including here in the top. So that's it in this Hello World program. So stay connected. In the next video I will bring something else. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.